Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate the web page content in Chrome app on iPhone. Launch the Chrome app and open the website or the web page that you want to translate. Say suppose I open the Wikipedia and open any of the page which is not English. So immediately there will be this pop-up that says translate page Italian to English, and I can just simply tap on this translate command, which will just translate to English. So if you just miss that command, what you can do is you can tap on this Google Translate icon which is appearing in the address bar, and you would be able to choose from language and the to language. The from language will be automatically detected, and you can choose the to language, like I want to translate it to English. Then I can just tap on this translate command and it will be automatically translated to English. So here at the top you would be able to see this bar which has appeared again, and it's saying as show original. If I select the show original, it will translate back into the Italian. So in this way you can translate the page in your Chrome app. Now there are certain other options or the customizations that you can do. So within the translate command here, you would be able to see these another options like always translate Italian, never translate Italian, or never translate this site. So if you choose always translate Italian, whenever the Italian page appears in your Chrome app, the browser will automatically detect and try to translate into English without you manually interfere to touch or translate. So there is, if you cannot find this icon here, so you can also choose it from the three dot options, and here you can have this translate, which will again open the same bar, and you can choose this gear icon which will bring this translate options. So in this way you can translate your content in Chrome app. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.